Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Let's take a trip to Mountainside, St. Elizabeth in a subdivision known as Success, which is a family oriented neighborhood. We have for you in this area an incomplete 5 bedroom, 4 bathroom house constructed on half-acre or approximately 23,235 square feet of land. This house is within close proximity to Black River, Jamaica Zoo, Santa Cruz, and Treasure Beach, respectively. This property presents so many possibilities for the new owner. The current price of this house is Jamaican 19.8 million or US $126,000. Now, let's take a look at this unfinished house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. For watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.